Hi guys, so welcome to our channel. This is Gold Third Generation, and again, hata kama initially nilikuwa nimekataza kusema, but we thank you for joining us also for this next episode. We really appreciate you joining us, na tungependa sana like, subscribe na mshare hii video. Naweza sasa kuisema, so at least nimesema sasa hivi. So today we are just going to be taking you through the process itself kupitisha constitution through popular initiative, and Joy is going to be taking us through that whole process.
So amendment of the constitution through a popular initiative is contained under Article 257 of the constitution. So the promoters draft the bill. After drafting the bill, they present the bill to the citizens of the country, and the citizens, after reading the bill, they sign if they agree as to what it contains, and then the promoters of the bill collect the signatures and present them to the IEBC for verification process. And if the IEBC is satisfied with the signatures, and first of all, the signatures should be 1 million signatures, yeah. So they present the
registered voters.
So the IEBC presents the draft bill to the county assemblies, and if a county assembly approves the bill, it within 3 months, yeah, after presentation by IEBC, it presents the bill to the speakers of the two houses of parliament. Yeah. So the speakers of the two houses of parliament wanapeleka motion by the houses. The members of parliament wanna discuss, and if both houses agree, the bill is presented to the president for assent, and if either of the houses fails to approve the bill is subjected to a referendum. But in this case, since we're talking about the BBI contains matters as to which the BBI contains matters that are provided under Article 255 of the Constitution, which must be subjected to a referendum. So Eric is going to talk about Article 255 of the Constitution.
Okay. Kwa hiyo kizungu yote amesema after hiyo process ya parliament, president ataiassent into law, but ikiwa either of the houses ilikataa, then itapitishwa kwa referendum. Na sasa Kenya nilipea niwaelezeni hiyo part ya pili, na ikiwa iko na content za Article 255 clause 1 ya constitution, then also lazima itaenda kwa referendum. Maybe nimepunguziwe kizungu, imedailitika. So kwa 255(1) ya constitution ama 255 clause 1 ya constitution inasema vitu zenye ina outline clearly what makes an amendment of the constitution to go through the referendum process. Na hapo vile ametuelezea, BBI iko na a lot of issues ama a lot of matters that will lead us to having a referendum. For instance, we are having this issue of the senators being added, ama more the number of senators being added. So the numbers being
increased.
Yes, so we are having the number of senators being increased from those elected senators from 47 to 94. Then also the structure of the legislature in terms of the National Assembly is also being affected, in that the nominated members are likely to have a higher number than the current dispensation. Also, the elected members, kuna constituencies that are going to be added, so it is also going to raise the number of the elected members in the National Assembly. So all these things also results to them having now new roles. Now, Article 255(1) clearly says that if that part of the amendment also leads us to having new functions of the parliament, then we will have a referendum. Now, this clearly now causes us to have a referendum. So you have no question kuuliza mbona lazima tuende referendum. Hiyo nayo itself, si ati ni hiyo peke yake, there are also more things that will cause us to have a referendum that are stated kwa Article 255+1. But just to point out one and then clearly elaborated, hiyo itatufanya tukuwe na referendum. I hope sitajirudia sana, but I know umeelewa. So currently, at this point of recording, one county, that is Siaya County, has already passed the amendment bill, and counties such as Kericho, Nandi, Kisumu, Homa Bay, just to name but a few, are also having this bill being introduced to the assemblies, and they're about to start the debating on the motion. So hapo ndio tuko sahi, but the aim of this whole series, this whole video, is to ensure that you are informed before making the decision to either pass it or reject it. It is also in line with the vision here at Gold Touch that we urge the youths to
rise up and be counted.
Yes, so rise and be counted. Kwa idea zote zenye uko nazo, rise and be counted. Now let your voice be heard as well.
And don't make a decision because your affiliation lies to a particular leader on your own decision. It's a matter that affects you as a citizen, as a youth, whoever you are. Take your time, read the BBI, make your own decision. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so vile amesema clearly, it affects you personally. Usiseme juu person X amesema utaipitisha, ama juu person Z amesema utaikata. Read it yourself, see the content it has. Na here at Gold Touch, we'll continue taking you through the process na the content itself. So if najua watu wengi wapendi kusoma, so if you're not a reader of books,
yes, we're going to be more elaborative.
Yes,
tutawaelezea tu.
So thank you for joining us. Remember to share, subscribe. So kwa description box, bado hata kama tumesema mpendi kusoma, you can also find a copy ama a link to the document itself.
BBI.
Yeah. So thank you for joining us. Rise, be counted.
On the next episode, we shall be discussing the proposed changes to the legislature and what arises after the changes are passed.